Hi, this is Cherie with Rehash Fiber. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the yarn overs in knitting. To do a yarn over between two knit stitches, you knit to the spot where the yarn over is to happen. You bring the yarn between the needles like if you were to purl, but have it come over the top of the right needle and then knit into the next stitch. And you see right here, you now have this extra stitch, which in the next row is going to make a pretty decorative hole. All right, we're going to do the yarn over. Bring the yarn between the stitches to the front, let it come over the right needle, then knit right into the next stitch. That is yarn over between two knit stitches. Okay, this is how you yarn over between a knit and a purl. You knit the knit stitch, you bring your yarn to the front as if to purl, but then you need to wrap it around the needle one more time. That creates the yarn over. Then you purl into the next stitch. One more time between a knit stitch and a purl. You knit into the knit stitch, wrap the yarn around the right needle as if to purl, and go one more time. Then purl into your purl stitch. That is how you yarn over between a knit and a purl. To do a yarn over between two purls, you purl the stitch, bring the yarn to the front and over the right needle and back to the front again, and purl your next stitch. We'll do it again. Between two purls, bring your yarn over the right needle, back to the front, and then purl your next stitch. And that is how you yarn over between two purls. To yarn over between a purl and a knit, we work the purl stitch. Now we're just going to bring the yarn over the right needle and knit the next stitch. And that creates your yarn over. We're going to do it again. We're going to work the purl stitch, bring the yarn over the top of the right stitch, and go in to the knit stitch with the yarn over like so. And that creates your yarn over between a purl and a knit.